First, wash off the barley and let it soak for 24 hours. After 24 hours, drain the water and cook the barley in a separate pot. Add water to the barley so that 2 centimeters above the barley will be filled with water. Over the medium heat, let it cook. During cooking the barley, keep an eye on barley because it could boil over. For this, keep the flames in medium to low and also cover the barley pot half open. Let the barley cook completely until you see a nice glaze to the barley. Once cooked, remove it from the flames and keep it aside. I am using all the root earthy vegetables in this soup, and it's super healthy because it doesn't have any oil, and you can add any kind of vegetable, root vegetable that you love as well. So we chop the vegetable in the quite bigger chunks and we add them to the pot. The amount of the vegetable also is up to you. You can use any way. I have added the ingredients at the description box of the video. You can just check them. So what we're gonna do that we are going to add some salt, some turmeric powder, some white pepper powder. Again, you can use any of your favorite spices as well. A little bit of dry thyme for the aroma. And what we are gonna add is the ginger and garlic paste, which is a very ancient way that I made this one, and it's all natural, organic, homemade. You can just click the link at the description box of the video and see how to make this at home. It's amazing. So what we are gonna do is that we are going to add 1 liter of water. Again, at this point you can add, instead of water, chicken broth or vegetable broth, is all up to you. Give it a stir, good stir. So we let them to cook until all the vegetables are cooked. Okay, as you see, the vegetables are soft and cooked. They are all cooked. At this point, we switch off the heat. What we are going to do is that we are going to blend everything with the blender. We're going to turn them to the puree. Okay, now they have been turned to puree. What we are going to do at this point, we are going to add our cooked barley that I cooked it from before. So in this stage, you have 2 options. Either you can add the barley and turn everything into a puree and have a puree soup if you like it. Or if you like some chunks to come under your teeth, you can just leave the barley so that you can just feel the texture. It's all up to you. So at this stage, just check the soup if it needs a little bit of more salt or anything you can add. So at this stage, we are going to turn on the heat and let the barley to cook with the rest of the ingredients to get a perfect blend. Low heat for 2 to 3 minutes. I think that would be enough, and then we come back. The soup is ready. We turn off the heat. At this stage, it's optional. You can add fresh cream, which gives a better flavor to it, or you can just omit it and serve it with the lemon juice. I am going to add some fresh cream to it. And I'm going to garnish it with some fresh chopped parsley, or you can add coriander, whatever you like, any herb that you like. Look at the beautiful color, nice color of the soup. I just love it, and it's super healthy, and I hope you make it and you enjoy it. This ancient earthy, healthy soup.